Hello guys, I Shreya Katyal welcome you all to today's talk. We are at Pragati Maidan at the Yogshala Expo 2018, and since I'm looking forward to many new concepts, some creativity over here, and I'm right here at this stall talking to Mr. Varda and knowing about his concept. So let's talk to him and know what he's portraying here. Hello sir.
Hi.
So first of all, you have that wanderlust in you, and you are a traveler. So what are you portraying here right now today at the expo?
So, yeah, to be very honest, this is a very new concept, kind of a first timer concept. So, when you include wellness, spiritual with holidays, that's what we provide. So, you go on a normal holiday, right? You go, and in the summers, you're at the hills. So, if you club the normal vacation with yoga, meditation, wellness, that's what we provide. And we are the first, India's first comprehensive spiritual wellness tours platform. And the locations include all the hills in Uttarakhand, Himachal, down south we have for Kurg, and we are coming out with many other destinations in Kerala as well. We aim to cover pan India wellness tours platform very soon. Yeah.
Okay, so basically, it's a travel agency which provides you the entire blissful experience, right? So I can see something about karmas and all that stuff also. What is that?
So look, I mean, your fate and everything depends on the karma of your past life, all right? And you can rectify your karma by doing some good deeds. That's what we all Hindus believe. So what we call it is an alternate nirvana. So that's the concept we provide. So because of your bad karma of your previous life, you're not enjoying a good life in this.
Exactly.
So what you do is you get into a spiritual kind of a vacation, you take a pilgrimage, you visit temples, you get into some noble jobs. That's how you can improve your karma for a better tomorrow. So the whole concept is to provide an alternate nirvana in a very comfortable and exciting way so that yes, you lead a good life ahead. Yeah, that's the basic concept.
So finally, those who want to get this kind of experience should contact them. And I would like to I would like you to tell the viewers about your company name and where they can approach you and how can they approach you.
Wonderful. Yes, okay. So it's very simple. My company name is Karmic Roots, India's first comprehensive spiritual wellness tours platform. All you have to do is log into our website www.karmicroots.com. You get the list of all the avenues of the yoga tours, yoga retreats, pilgrimage, and the ashram vacation. This is a new concept, the ashram vacation. We take you to Rishikesh, Shirdi, Vrindavan, and up in the hills. You stay in an ashram, lead a normal life, but again, you get a very rejuvenating experience. Yeah, that's the basic idea, is to happy and good India through good karma. Yeah, that's the concept.
Indeed, very thoughtful and a great effort. All the very best. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So, if you wish to plan your journey towards nirvana, if you wish to have some tranquility in your life, then you should definitely contact them. That's all for today's talk. I Shreya Katyal sign off for the day, but I'll be back with another very amazing stall for you. Till then, you keep watching MSTV Har Pal Aapke Saath.